Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Go Assess Chapter 2 Grader 2F Assignment Events and Clients. This is the second grader, second chapter of Excel GO19 course. I have completed this assignment for one of my student. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this complete course for you and will provide good grades at a reasonable price. If you want me to do other assignments of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Assess, business maths, stat, accounting, writing, technical writing, all these things, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address, my Instagram, my Facebook page as well. I will provide good grades for you at a reasonable price. Here first of all we will look at the project description. In let me make it a bit zoom for you. In this project you will use a database to answer questions about faculties that the college rents to community and provide organizations. You will import an Excel spreadsheet as a new table in the database. Create a relationship between two tables and create queries using numeric compound and wildcard criteria using the field in one or both table. You will create calculated field group data when calculating statistic. Create a cross tab query and creating a parameter query. So you have to do all these things. Here is this file, this project file. This is consist of three files. One is the exercise file, instruction file, and one is the excel file that will be used in this assignment. So in step number 1 it is saying start assess. Open the file student assess to F events client ACC TB downloaded with this project. So we have to open this file. As this assignment is, I have opened student last name is at the start of this assignment. So when you open it, this file will be appear like this. Next we will move to step number 2. In step number 2, let me do it step number 2 for you. It is saying import the records of the downloaded Excel file named, let me make it a bit zoom and color for you, highlight it for you. In step number 2 it is saying import the records from the downloaded Excel file named CH02F rentals client.xls as a new table named rental clients into the database. Use the first row of the Excel worksheet as the table column headings and set rental client ID as a primary key. Complete the visitors and do not save the import steps. After importing the data, open the rental clients field and apply best fit and then save and close this table. So first we have to do this step. This step is worth of 5 marks. So first it is saying upload the records from the downloaded file rental client. So we have to import file. For this I will click on external data. Here I will click new source and I will select Excel. Here I will go to borrows and here I will select where my file has been located. So here let me open this assess, let me make it. So here I will select assess GO19 course. So here go courses assess. Here my file is located to rental clients. We have to import into new tables. So make sure you have selected this. Import the source file into a new table and the current database. I will press OK. So it is saying use the first row of the Excel worksheet as table columns. So here I will select first row containing column heading. I will press next. Next part it is saying and set rental client ID as primary key field. So here I will select rental client ID primary field. And next, what should be name of table? Its name should be rental clients. I will click next, and here it is asking me to save the import step, so I don't need, so I will close it. Next, after importing the data, open the rental client table. So here I will just double click on it. I will double click on rental client, and what it is saying, it is saying apply best fit to the table. So here I will click here, and on the home tab in more I will click field width, and I will select best fit. As you can see, it is best fit now. Here I will click save and close this table. So this is done now. Next, we will move to step number 3. But before starting step number 3, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, I can do this for you at a reasonable price. It is saying using rental client ID as a common field, create one-to-many relationship between the rental clients table and the events table, enforce rational integrity and both cascade options, create a relationship report with normal margins and save it as relationships report, close all the object. So here we have to create a relationship. For this we will go to database tool, and here I will click relationship. Now it is selected. It is saying one to many relationship between rental clients table and event table. So here I will click rental clients and event tables, and what should be the client ID as common field. So here I will click client. Here I will click a rental client ID field. So this will be common field. So I will select it and drag it here. It is selected. Next, it is saying enforce rational integrity. So here enforce rational and referential integrity, and here I will select both the cascade option, and here I will select create. So the relationship is created. Next, it is saying create a relationship report with normal margin. So here after doing this, in the tool tabs in relationship design, here I will select relationship report. So this relationship report is created, but it is saying it should be with normal margin. So here on marginal margins field I will select normal. So this is selected now. Next, it is saying save it as relationship report. So here I will just right click on it, save, and I will type relationships report, and I will click OK. So this is done now. Next, it is saying close all open object. So I will select, right click on it, save, and now I will first close it and second close it. Next, I will move to step number 4. But before starting step number 4, I am professional. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course for you, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve out this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will give you good grades. For this, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address, my Instagram or Facebook page, wherever you feel comfortable. In step number 4, it is saying create a query in query design view based on the events table to answer these questions. What is event name, rental client ID, rental fees, and facility for the rental fees greater than or equal to 500. Sorted in ascending order by the rental client ID. Sort the record in ascending order by the rental client ID field. Run the query, 11 records display, save the queries as thesis 500 or more query. Then close the query. So here I will go to create, and here I will select query design. So this is created now. Next, it is saying what is the event name. So first should be, here I will select here it should be events table. So events table, first it is saying what is the event name. So here I will select event name first, and next it is saying rental client ID. So here I will select rental client ID, and next it is saying rental fees. So here I will select rental fees. It is selected now. Next, and faculty for rent. So here I will select facility for rent greater than or equal to 500. So here rental fees I will select it greater than or equal to 500. And next, what it is saying, sorted ascending order by right rental client ID. So here in sort I will select ascending. So this is done now. Make sure first you add event name, then rental client ID. It should be in ascending order. Rental fees should be greater than or equal to 500, and then facilities. Next it is saying run the query. So here I will click on here run. As you can see, 11 records displayed here, and it is saying save the queries or thesis 500 or more query. So here I will just right click on it and save thesis 500 or more query, and then close it. So here I will just click save and close it. So I have done 4 steps for you. If you want me to do this complete assignment of 13 points, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address. I will solve out this full assignment for you at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.